Hello, and welcome to week 14 in Unit 4. This is our last week in Unit 4. Let's see what we have to do. Day 1, May 17th. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. We have two activities in Async. The first activity, Nearpod, on formal versus informal. Okay, you click Join Lesson, and you'll take a lot of notes. Read and take notes, do a quiz, 6 questions. Answer this question. What 2 factors determine the tone? Keep going. Answer another question to type in the box. Read and take more notes. Answer this question in the box. And that's it. So this Nearpod is not as long as the others. Your next async activity is in the book, page 74, part 2A and B. So you'll read the article and then answer the questions and upload your answer, upload the picture. You guys have been doing very well with this main ID activity. Don't forget to do the part in the blue. This part here is not an example. You actually have to do it. This is the main idea, entire article. Remember, the main idea is what is that in this case here, 2, 3, 4, and what these paragraphs are talking about. This one is what is the whole article talking about. Okay, that's it for async. It's Monday. That means we have class together on Zoom. So we will do part 1 and you guys will do a fact versus opinion activity in group. And that's it for today. Good luck.